Hey guys, we're back with you today to talk about the Diamond C HDT 207. So this unit is going to be very similar to our stock HDT. Really the only difference in this HDT versus the rest of ours is the hydraulic jack. Shop guys came to me and they said, Sherwood, we're tired of putting old jacks here, just get one in with a jack. So that's what we did. We got one directly from factory with the Diamond C jack. These HDTs are a beast of a trailer. I-beam frame, 7K drop axles. You're gonna have your 14-ply tires standard, just like any Diamond C and a 7K axle. You're gonna have the HD V-tongue toolbox lid here, which, I mean, with the hydraulic jack, you don't get as much space, but I mean, come on now. I can fit in the thing. I mean, it can fit 6-foot Sherwood in there. I don't know if it could fit Tom's big head in there, but it's a big toolbox. We got it here. It's gonna be a stock unit of ours. If we sell it, we're gonna have more in here. But again, just a quick rundown. 2 7K axles. This one's gonna be rated at 15.5. 14-ply tires, I-beam frame. You got your hydraulic jack, your HD V-tongue toolbox, and the 4D rings. So if you got some equipment you need moved and you're tired of, hand cranking, we got an HDT here with a hydraulic jack.